Hi guys, in this video we will see the setting up of work offsets in a vertical machining center. At first, let us understand the basics of work offsets. Work offsets are used to define the position of the workpiece relative to the machine's coordinate. Common work offsets include G54, G55, G56, and so on up to G59. The foremost thing is to prepare the machine and workpiece, set up the machine coordinate system. And now, use a reference tool or edge finder. Find and set the workpiece origin, input work offset values. Finally, verify the work offset and don't forget to save the document. And yes, thank you for watching. Hope this was useful to you. If you are really interested in getting trained in machine operating and programming aspect, contact us.